Rich, ready to get wet, or are you just gonna hide up here in the shelter while I rough it?
You can rough it. You got the raincoat on.
I don't have a raincoat. This kid's, what a wimp. All right, we got a tower here, and most people would recommend you don't try to climb a tower during a possible storm, but yeah, I'm an idiot. So we'll see if this is open. They got a little tiered hill here. I apologize for the shaky video. I didn't bring out my best equipment for this. This is just handheld. But I thought you'd want to see how stupid I am. I got a feeling this is probably going to be closed. If it's not, this fool is going to go up about probably 250 steps. Let's see what we got here. The historic 1951 PPG smokestack, Raston Observation Tower. This chimney served PPG from 1951 to its closing in 1976 and was constructed of reinforced concrete by the slip form method. To preserve it as a part of the ruins, it was determined to repurpose it as an observation tower. The tower is 280 feet high, and the observation deck is 140 feet, and there are 224 steps. Well, that's nothing. I thought it was 250 to the top. Enjoy the view. And let's see if this is open. And you jerks. The jerks closed it on me. Or did they? Yeah, geez. Careful what you wish for. Tower is open, 10 people at a time, managed by a turnstile gate. All right, well, I asked for it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I only got about, Rich, only 224 steps, buddy. In a thunderstorm. No. Well, have you seen any lightning? I mean, I'm just climbing some steel steps in a thunderstorm. What could possibly go wrong here? Nothing, I'm sure. Now, Rich is taking advantage of this old road trip for the sole purpose of that the kid's out of shape, okay? Oh, I didn't, yeah, okay, he actually heard that. Now you notice me climbing up this, being the somewhat elite athlete, that I won't be out of breath the whole way. Rich, on the other hand, I'll have to edit out anything he says. And let's see how far I am now. That's how far I went up. That's how far I have to go. Not too bad. Now every week on these trips, I try to do something stupider than the last time. And I managed to do it this week too. I climbed up a steel structure during a possible thunderstorm. I am not a role model. I am an idiot. There's an event center I was at earlier. And over here you'll see the remnants of the PPG plant. Mount Vernon, Ohio. And this is as far as I can go unless I jump out and climb that. So I survived my climb up the tower here. And my advice to anybody else out there, don't do that. Come prepared for the rain? Yeah, he's on stage. All right, what's dance, sing, do something here. Oh, that was horrible. He didn't come prepared. I'm not afraid of a little rain because I'm going to the River of Glass. Been here before. This is the old, hey Rich, PPG. This is the old PPG. What, Pittsburgh Pane Glass?
Yeah.
Pittsburgh Pane Glass factory was here. They turned it into a park. It's a little better when it's nice out. But this is the River of Glass. So they took some old glass pieces, and now I've been here before when the sun's shining. This stuff will really give off more of a vibrant color. I might find some of them old pictures and post them. But a very unique park we've got here. So you have the River of Glass, kind of a get to the very top for you. Flows right into the old smokestack and the old building there, and a beautiful display. Well, I survived my climb up the tower here. Started pouring down rain, as you may or may not be able to see, and I found shelter underneath a very, very porous tarp. It's like a tent when you touch it there. I've lost Road Trip Rich. He's probably dead. I'll find a replacement host next week. The community pavilion there from the old PPG plant, a couple of the towers, some obscure rock of some sort, a couple other areas of wasteland. Let's see if I can zoom in on what, I don't know what those are, old scaffoldings. But we are on the search for Road Trip Rich. I'm worried about the kid. He doesn't handle water well. Ever since the shower incident of 2015. Some more remnants. Probably safe to say I need to get the heck out of here. So, as always, who knows where the toll road will lead to next.